Hearing loss is a major problem in Australia as it affects 1 in 6 Australians. There are currently approximately 30,000 deaf Auslan users with total hearing loss, and the projection for the future is not any better. According to the Australian Network of Disabilities, the projection for 2050 indicates that 1 in every 4 Australians will have hearing loss, and 90% of people born with hearing impairments are born into hearing families. That's why Clear Incorporated are proposing an application that could be paired with the Google Glass that will pick up audio from surrounding environments and present them as text. Our goal as a company is to provide people who suffer from hearing disability a more productive/efficient piece of technology that would help them communicate to other people.
As the CEO of Clear Incorporated, my role is to acquire resources to support our company and introduce our product to the marketplace. This involves supervising the needs of employees, customers, investors, and the wider community. A value proposition is an innovation, service, or feature intended to make a company or a product attractive to customers. Clear Incorporated offers a superior product in the market through the several value proposition it proposes.
As the Chief Customer and Marketing Manager of Clear Incorporated, my role is to handle all aspects related to promoting and selling our application, as well as overseeing the relationships with our organisation's customers. In order to achieve customer acquisition, customer retention, and a boost in sales of our application, I ensure that customer relationships are established through various channels. I will be guiding you through customer segments, customer relationships, and the channels utilised to establish these relationships. Clear is catered towards a niche market which includes both the moderately and severely hearing impaired and can be used by all genders. We have 2 key market segments: working age adults who suffer from hearing impairment and elderly members of society who have hearing loss. Half the people who have a hearing loss are of working age, that is, they are 15 to 64 years old. This segregates deaf employees from their hearing colleagues and limits their participation in learning and networking. Clear assists this customer segment by incorporating soft skills into their daily interactions to be more productive employees. 1 in 3 people between 65 and 74 years old has hearing loss, and nearly half of those older than 75 have difficulty hearing. This makes it hard for those to talk to friends and family, follow a doctor's advice, and respond to warnings. Clear simplifies the means of communication for this customer segment. The relationships we achieve with our customers range from personal to automated. Clear builds employee-customer relationships through dedicated personal assistance during sales. Employees provide customers with an intimate and hands-on experience through a live demonstration of how to use the Clear application on the Google Glass. Clear also develops employee-customer relationships after the sales process via our call centre, live online support chat and email services to ensure customers can ask questions and send feedback to our company. Furthermore, Clear creates automated relationships with customers through a sophisticated form of self-service on our app. Our automated services recognise individual customers and their characteristics and offer them tailored recommendations based on their personal profile. Clear utilises a mix of channels to successfully establish these customer relationships. When newly released, customer relationships will be driven through our partner channels, namely through Google via their online website and associated retail stores. This will enable Clear to expand our product's reach and exposure in the marketplace. Over time, we will focus on customer retention by increasing the use of owned channels such as Clear's individual website and our own stores.
As the Chief Operating Officer of Clear, my role is to ensure that company operations flow smoothly and economically. In order to achieve this, I schedule and monitor work procedures related to planning, coordination, and control of the manufacturing process. In this video, I will be guiding you through the key resources that our team requires in order to satisfy the value propositions we are offering, as well as the key activities that are necessary in order to properly execute our business model. Key resources are split into 4 main categories: physical, intellectual, human, and financial. In order to deliver Clear's value propositions, we must acquire and utilize these resources in an efficient manner. Since our business model is product-orientated, our key focus is on physical resources such as manufacturing plants and distribution channels for the hardware, as well as human resources, including software engineers and interaction designers, to ensure that the application is operational, easy to use, and innovative. Other human resources include project managers to oversee the production process and customer service representatives to ensure that all our customers' needs are met. Intellectual and financial assets include partnerships, monetary streams, and capital, which will be discussed further by the Chief Financial Officer. CLEAR's key activities change over time. We will be starting with a focus on the Research and Development Department, who are in charge of conducting new product research, including design, expected costs, estimated production time, and customer demand, as well as investigating new innovations that may improve the product, conducting quality checks, and eventually releasing product updates so that CLEAR remains competitive in the changing market. They would then liaise with the production department, who selects the design, production process, and production capacity using break-even analysis. Once initial production is completed, the production team must also run tests to guarantee quality and cost control, conduct regular scheduled maintenance of machines, and manage inventory. Focus would then pass on to marketing, who would devise marketing strategies, reach out to potential customers through social media platforms and events, and provide sales support for the sales and customer service department so that they can effectively handle customer problems, perform clerical tasks, and release the product to the market.
There are a lot of technologies and applications out there already which cater to people with hearing loss, but there is nothing quite like our innovation. Some of the biggest game-changing technologies for people with hearing disabilities, according to Forbes, include Motion Savvy, UNI, Solar Ear, and I See What You Say. The problem with these products and innovations is that they lack consistency and also lack certain features that make the product great. With our application, we included a voice recognition feature which will remember voices of individuals and tell the user who is speaking to them, which is groundbreaking in this industry, as well as a storage system which allows any text to be easily transferred to other devices, recorded, or printed. Our application is available on Android and Apple devices and is accessible to all countries on both the Play Store and the App Store. Our application works over multiple devices, which include smartphones and also tablets. By doing this, we don't limit our users in terms of what device they use or the operating system they use, as other companies might do. With hearing disabilities, we as a company understand not every case is the same depending on the severity or the different circumstances. That's why we wanted our application to be different, and we did so by incorporating a questionnaire to create a personalized experience. This allows the users to interact with the application in an efficient yet productive manner. One of the major aspects of our innovation is the application we created to work simultaneously with the Google Glass. With a lot of applications out there today, they provide complex design which not only confuses the customer but discourages them from using the application. We created the application with two main goals, which was the effectiveness of translating data and the simplicity of the application. Our application incorporates large easy buttons in the main page of the application, which allows any users to easily understand where all the functions are. Our application also incorporates a help section which allows users to easily browse through their queries, and also a 24/7 support service where the staff will help answer your questions.
As the Chief Financial Officer of CLEAR, my duties include sourcing venture capital by seeking out potential investors, interacting with banks and lenders, as well as managing cash inflows and outflows. As an innovative and technology-driven firm, we have chosen to partner with Google in order to offer our customers with an interactive platform to serve their needs. In this video, I will be analysing the multiple revenue streams that CLEAR Inc. generates in order to monetize the value propositions offered by our product, as well as discussing the importance of key partnerships in supporting our firm. Our mobile app business model takes advantage of the increasing benefits of smartphone technology. IAB Australia found that consumers spend close to 43% of their total time on smartphone applications per month. In light of this, CLEAR will streamline our income through two main sources of revenue. Advertisements will form the largest revenue stream at CLEAR. Ads can be displayed on the finder in the glass or as a banner advertisement on the smartphone application. A variable advertising fee will be charged to companies who wish to promote their products or services, allowing them to gain increased exposure by reaching a larger target audience. Add to App is a mediation platform which features an algorithm that filters a list of buyers every 3 hours to present the ones that are appropriate, depending on location and target audience. This will allow for higher return rates on click-throughs as a result of better targeted advertising. For consumers, this will offer a personalised experience customized to individual needs. Additionally, an in-app payment of $3.99 will also be offered to remove ads. This will provide users with convenience as they can enjoy a premium app upgrade for an ad-free experience. Our second largest revenue stream will be a one-time app purchase payment. This transaction revenue follows a fixed pricing mechanism where the app will retail for $5.99 and will be available on a variety of different application stores, including the Apple App Store and Google Play for Android and Google Glass. Market research has shown that the revenue growth for paid apps in 2017 has been projected for $1.95 billion. Thus, we have chosen to offer Clear as a paid app, as it has been priced according to the specialized nature of the application. It caters to a niche market and features integrated use of superior technologies, including voice recognition software, speech-to-text processing, and an inbuilt storage system. This application is also easily accessible and allows for a personalized experience through questionnaires, target advertising, and voice recognition software. As a firm still in the establishment stage, Clear's initial aim will be to gain repeated transactions for existing customers as well as new ones. Through the fixed pricing mechanism, a customer will pay a one-time purchase cost of $5.99, allowing our firm to make upfront revenue with every new purchase made. In order to optimize Clear's resource utilization, we will be collaborating with American multinational technology company Google. Co-founded by Larry Page and Sergey Brin, Google was originally launched as a search engine, but since has released a number of other products, one of which is a Google Glass that will be used as a platform for the implementation of Clear. As our value propositions will assist in the marketing scheme of the Glass, this will be a joint venture relationship in which both entities collaborate due to mutual interests. Also, this partnership would be involved in the sale of the application, as the Google Play Store is a convenient and popular platform for consumers to access smartphone applications.